Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is September 1st, Labor Day weekend, and I got a lead on this non-MLS home that's gonna be on the non-listing market, which is what us investors do. You know, we like these houses more than on the retail or on the MLS system. And as you can see, I'm on a busy road here. You know, this house by the side, and nice day out today. Just want to give you a quick tour of this another opportunity. Maybe this is another home, if the numbers do work, that we'll try to get. Currently it's vacant, and it's asking for $160,000. So as you can see here, it's got 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's a backyard pool and a sauna. So I'm just gonna take a quick tour. Older style home, definitely. You can tell in the 60s, you know, the style, but it's not in bad shape. Don't know what the real detail is, but this condition is not as bad as a lot of places, and for the price that they're asking, it's pretty good too. This is the kitchen, that small island, fridge, that door there goes to the attached garage, old school oven, goes downstairs to the basement. The hallway right here goes to the bedrooms. These are some closets. Nice size. You know, not the biggest, but nice size. First bedroom here. I'm gonna go to the second bedroom, which is just right here, which I think at one point they used it as an office space, which is still nice size. Just gotta move it, you know, all these items out if someone, or if I was to purchase this unit. And over here is the bathroom, full bath, that you sink, shower, toilet. Nothing's been damaged in the ceilings, no mold, no smell of that. Just other than it's been vacant, nobody's been in here cleaning much. Carpet doesn't look stained, but it looks and smells kind of old, and will probably need replaced. And you got a full double-sized closet here in this master. Now this master, you know, I would just get rid of all these retro vintage wallpapers here. It's actually got a half bath. As you can see here, you got a sink and a toilet, which you don't see much. You see usually full bath in a master. But yeah, I would just get rid of these retro vinyls, carpet, touch it up. Okay. Turn off some lights here. Now we're gonna go over here to the garage real quick. Double garage, 2-car. As you can see here, nice size, high ceilings. Still got some storage that they have here, or some stuff that they haven't really cleaned up yet. Over here goes to the living room, which is pretty decent size. Very nice space. All of these windows overlook to the backyard. And this right here is the seasonal porch, which this carpet could be replaced or touch up to your taste. You know, the wood here is still pretty good condition. The exterior is pretty good as well. I took a peek at it earlier. And this door just goes out to the pool in the yard. And you got your storage right over there, and another small one, portable one, that's behind the bushes there. And the pool right here, along with the deck, which is gonna need some touch up on the paint. Structure is still pretty stable. along with the fence, as you can see here. So just thought I'd share this as a potential. You know, as investors, we look at all the numbers in the location, you know, and especially this one, since it's on a big street. It's got an amenity of a pool and a sauna also downstairs, so which I'll show you real quick. Okay, this goes downstairs. You got another half bath here. I think they just converted this. It was probably one point a room. Doesn't have a shower. Just another more storage closet. You got your furnace, water heater, which is still new, 2016, still functional. Little workshop where the laundromat could have been, washer and dryer. The basement goes out here with a walkout door to the pool. Your fuse box. More storage space. Which needs to be finished in this area of the basement. And basically the whole basement, or half of it. And this is your sauna at one point, which could be converted to another room. All this right here. So definitely, it's got some potential. I'm gonna go back, review some numbers, talk with the team, and if the numbers work, you know, maybe we'll get it at a discounted price if the sellers are motivated. So this is Long Vein from NV Homes. You know, thought I'd share this, my experience, other than, you know, helping buyers look around for homes or help people list their homes. That's what I do as well as an investor. So I hope this was informational. And as always, if you have any questions, just give me a holler. Thank you.